Welcome to the Highflyer Insights Channel, where we equip you with powerful tools to transform your financial life and unlock your full potential. Today, we're diving into a game-changing topic: how to make personal budgeting easy and effective. Many people see budgeting as a restriction, something that limits their ability to enjoy their hard-earned income by cutting back on every enjoyable expense. On the contrary, budgeting is not about deprivation and empowerment. It gives you control over your money instead of letting money control you. More importantly, it helps you stay focused, guiding you on the path to financial independence, the ultimate goal for many. If you don't budget, your money disappears before you even know where it went. But when you budget, every shilling you earn has a purpose. Instead of being controlled by financial crises and last-minute scrambles, you become proactive, focused, and in control of your financial future. Think of budgeting like a roadmap. Without one, you're lost. With a budget, you know exactly where your money goes. It puts you in the driver's seat of your financial journey. It ensures that you're prioritizing your long-term financial goals instead of sitting back and reacting to financial crises. The best part? Budgeting doesn't have to be difficult or complicated. Many think they need a perfect budget before they start, but perfection is not the goal. The goal is progress. You don't need a budget app, spreadsheets, or a degree in finance. You can start with a simple list of your income and essential expenses, such as this. Savings, always prioritize this. Loan repayments, rent or mortgage, groceries, transport, personal maintenance. Plan for extras, leisure activities, and self-improvement, whatever is important to you. Whenever you receive your income, pay immediately your savings, loans, and rent. Next, set aside a budget specifically for groceries and transportation. Once these necessities are covered, the remaining funds can be directed toward personal care, leisure activities, and self-improvement. A common mistake many people make is saving whatever is left over after spending. But this approach rarely works. The key to wealth building is to pay yourself first. Even if you earn 20,000 shillings per month, start by saving as low as 300 shillings. Sounds small, maybe, but that's the beauty of it. This amount is so manageable that it won't disrupt your lifestyle, and hence it will encounter any mental resistance. Second, the little consistent savings adds up over time. As your savings grow, it builds momentum and something incredible happens. Your mindset shifts. You start to believe in your ability to save. Your confidence grows. You become more disciplined and intentional with money. Your habits transform. You naturally begin increasing your savings over time. Before long, that 300 shillings turns into 500, then 1,000 and beyond. Here's a secret to staying consistent. Make your budget visible. Place it where you'll see it every day: your mirror, fridge, work desk, or even as your phone's wallpaper. Out of sight is out of mind, but constant visibility breeds discipline. Your budget isn't just numbers on paper, it's a roadmap to your dreams. The more you see it, the more it influences your thoughts, decisions, and financial behavior. With time, saving becomes second nature. You no longer struggle to save. Instead, you enjoy it. You begin to experience the benefits: security, peace of mind, and opportunities for growth. Once your savings reach a meaningful level, don't let your money sit idle. Invest it. Look for opportunities that generate passive income, whether it's a small business, SACCO contributions, stocks, or real estate. This diversification accelerates your financial growth and moves you closer to financial freedom. Now let's be real. This journey takes time, patience, and discipline. There will be moments when you feel like giving up. But remember, the pain of discipline is far less than the pain of regret. Imagine a future where you no longer live paycheck to paycheck. You have enough savings to handle emergencies stress-free. Your investments generate passive income, covering your expenses effortlessly. You have complete peace of mind because you're financially secure. That, my friends, is the power of budgeting, saving, and investing. If you've never budgeted before, do you start today? Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial life transform. Your future self will thank you. If you found this episode helpful, share it with a friend, and let's build a community of financially empowered individuals. Don't forget to subscribe to the Highflyer Insights podcast for more practical tips on personal finance and self-growth. Until next time, remember, your financial freedom starts with one simple step: budgeting.